Bito storage systems' flexible traffic barriers offer secure and visual segregation of forklift trucks and heavy plant from sensitive areas or operator walkways within the industrial working environment. Often found within the warehouse environment, the product is also suited for external use, such as loading bays, or any forklift or heavy plant travel routes. The high visibility nature of the products clearly mark out areas, enabling vehicles and personnel to see at a glance where they should be. Different barriers are available to match the application. For example, heavy-duty traffic barriers and barriers with different impact heights. Other products available include flexible heavy-duty bollards and walkway barriers. Because of the unique design, the flexible barrier option allows operator safety as well as help reduce the ongoing costs associated with floor repairs on traditional steel safety solutions.